All right, let's expand from Azure App Service to something that is really exciting from an Azure perspective, Azure Container Apps. It is preview now, but we've tried it out. And even in preview status, it works. And I think that this is real time. Or I think that this is going to be real. I'm really hopeful that at the Microsoft Build Conference, they put this in general availability, or at least some type of commitment, because under the covers, Azure Container Apps runs your application in a Kubernetes pod. Okay, so your app is on Kubernetes, but Microsoft it's always been really great at adding tooling, basically wraps it in a control panel and command line interface that looks really similar to Azure App Service. And so you can deploy it and you can scale it and you can service it just like you're used to with Azure App Service. And it's really simplified, but under the covers, it is running in Kubernetes. So it's a great place to start out. And then over time, if for some reason you really have the characteristics where you need to be able to control native Kubernetes, then you can upgrade to Azure Kubernetes Service, and your applications, well, they've been running in Kubernetes from the get-go. I think this is the future of Azure, where we love the tooling, we love the model, but Kubernetes is complicated with a capital comp. And we have gone deep in Kubernetes. We have many clients implemented. We have a massive Kubernetes implementation for a client that we took from .NET full framework on virtual machines all the way to completely cloud native inside Kubernetes, with all the different service management. It is not simple. And your regular .NET developers, it's not something that you just do on the side. You have to intentionally have a reason for doing it, because it doesn't just fall into place. So I think that Azure Container Apps wrapping the power of Kubernetes, but simplifying away the complexity, that's a winning situation. Absolutely. Because developers want to be able to focus on building apps instead of managing infrastructure.